Fandema, it means help yourself. So we are really focused on working with women of the community between the age of 18 up to 65 years. So Fandema is a self-managed project. We really work on local development project, which is focused on three objectives. That is, the first objective is to upgrade the life standard of the women in the community of the Gambia. And then the other is to work on socio-economical development, and then also to work on environmental friendly. So by the way, we had a project with the UNIDO, that is the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, whereas the energy facility of the center is based on renewable energy, that is wind turbine and then sun energy with the solar panels. So from that we have some engineers from Barcelona, Solidança, which are the people coming to do the installation, and later they will also conduct a training of capacitation to strengthen and widen the capacity of the local installers on renewable energy.
The idea of setting up a solar system in Fandema Center started 2 years ago, and it was then when we came here to evaluate all the consumptions, all the appliances needed at the center to be able to develop all the trainings. So we came here to study the consumptions of the sewing machines, of the computers, of the lights, of all the electrical appliances needed in the center. Once we have all the consumptions, we were able to do the sizing of the system. So it is now, like 3 or 4 months ago, that we had the money to buy all the stuff, all the material, and then we bought it all in Spain, and we sent it by boat with a container to the Gambia. Once in the Gambia, with all the stuff here, we can start installation. We're going to do a big solar system, also with a wind turbine. We're talking about a hybrid, standalone solar system. It is hybrid because it includes a wind turbine, 1,500 watts, that is around 3-meter diameter wind turbine. And we're talking about 30 panels, 230 watt each. That gives a total amount of 6,800 watt peak solar array. With this, we'll be able to power all the sewing machines, all the computers, all the light, all the equipment in the center. The objective of this installation is not only to give energy to the center, but to use it as a demonstration center for renewable energy. So all the technology installed will be set up in a way that it can be used for training. We have a 5,000 off-grid inverter, that is a sunny island. This sunny island includes an auxiliary charger, so with the fuel generator we will be able to charge the batteries as well. And also this sunny island allows to charge the batteries from the grid. And that is, we include a grid-connected inverter, in this case a 1,200 watt grid-connected inverter. And this energy from the grid-connected inverter will be injected directly to the center, to the grid created by the sunny island. But when there's no consumption in the center, all the energy will go through the sunny island and also charge a battery. The wind turbine will also charge a battery. So we'll have a big battery, that's a 3,000 amps hour battery. And with this energy, with this accumulation, we'll be able to run the center even in rainy seasons. We have 2 days, up to 3 days of autonomy. Behind installation, behind the introduction of new technology like that, it's very important to have a good training of skills, training of the new technology.
And then since I came, I really enjoy it because if I ask anything, anything I see and I don't know it, if I ask, they will tell me, do this, do it the way how you do it, and then after when they direct me the way to do it, I do it exactly how they say. And then I really like it. Yeah.
That there will be an engineer coming here to work on the Fandema. And from there, I decided to intend this, that when this engineer comes to the Fandema, then I will decide to join them and also search for the knowledge from these people. And from there, when they come, then I join them and I see how they are working is perfect and very good. And I was happy and proud to be with them here. Because the way, if you can see, this thing anyway is good for us and it's having a good future for the Africans because the new technology for us to see here. So we are all happy and proud ourselves because that we are coming to have another different education in our life to increase us more.
Actually, is a pilot project and it's a demonstration project. We would like to see everybody in this country and in the sub-region to use them and see how renewable energy can solve part of energy problems in our sub-region. This, when it is ready, will serve as a demonstration project for most Gambians and most people in the sub-region. This project is funded by GEF, Global Environmental Facility, through UNIDO. UNIDO is the implementing agency, and they're working in hand with government of the Gambia, and government of the Gambia is the key beneficiary in terms of renewable energy program. The composition of the project existence comes from the Ministry of Energy as the main institution, then followed by the National Environment Agency, PURA, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Trade, and other representatives. This is the composition of the project.
We didn't just move it there. It was from the demand of Mbolo and the beneficiaries, the women there in Tujereing, that they want to improve their life standard through education. So that's what we are doing there. We are creating individual itineraries from each beneficiary. In that case, we have seen that the renewable energy there, it can be grown, but it needs training for all the electrician and end users. So that's why we support the initiatives of increase the building capacity and trainings there on renewable energy. We want that this project can be self-sustained and in long term. So that's why when we make the design together with Mbolo, it was create on the way with renewable energy. We think that non-project can be built on fossil fuel.
The access of energy is one of the major problems in developing countries. Extending the grid in all areas can be a very cost investment. Also, the areas where they already have electricity is normally not reliable, or the electricity too expensive. The dependency on the oil market in these countries is becoming sometimes not sustainable. The solution to this problem has to be addressed. Renewable energy sources is a solution. So wind power and solar power should be considered. It's not only a matter of introducing solar and wind powered technology, but also to have a real knowledge transfer. Together with the installation and the training, this solution, the solution to the energy dependency, can be solved. The access of energy is directly related with economical and social development. So health, education, domestic, industrial and commercial activities can be developed only with the access of energy.